Hi guys, my name is Caleb Batman and I'm a senior here at the King's College in New York City. Today we're going to be test driving some big ideas with one of my favorite professors here at the King's College. But before that, let's go grab some coffee here at Bluestone Lane. Can I have a medium latte?
Yeah, small large.
Large is good. Call it a crash course in current events. Whatever you want to call it, this is Business with Brenberg. All right, guys, so we're on our way to Fox Studios at 45th and 6th, where Brian Brenberg is just about finished filming Fox and Friends this morning. Hi, Professor.
Hey, Caleb.
How's it going?
How are you?
Doing well.
How are things?
Good to see you too.
Good.
How was Fox?
See, almost every time I'm on, they do a food segment. So, I'm supposed to be on there talking about business and economics.
Yeah.
But I really get excited about eating food. That's not bad.
How's the
not
coffee,
too
Brian?
cool. Pretty good. Need a little bit of coffee to keep you going when you start your day.
Not that great.
I like my coffee black.
But speaking of starving college students, I am one. And free universal higher education sounds like a great idea to me.
Look, I think you're right to care about education costs. I mean, student debt has been soaring in recent years, and the cost of education has been soaring. So I don't think it's a bad idea at all to be concerned about that. The question is, can you really have something like free college education? I'd like us to really go the other direction and stop talking just about giving away schooling and start talking about how do we make it easier for young people to get a job?
So how do you think we can influence this kind of model change of college for the future generations? Because the direction we're going now is everybody's being pushed to go to college immediately after high school. And you're saying that might not be the best idea for everyone.
Very few people want to talk about the quote-unquote blue-collar jobs anymore. But if you look at some of those positions, that's where real opportunity is.
Yeah.
We've got a mindset that says you've got to go out to college and get a white-collar job. And so I just love to see us shift the debate away from should education be free to how can we make it more affordable and more effective for more people. But we live in a culture where we have a lot of degree inflation.
Yeah.
And there's this perception, well, if I go get a graduate degree, that's going to help me get a job. And there are tons of schools that are willing to sell you a graduate degree on this sort of spoken or unspoken promise that you're going to get a job. And my answer is, man, I would not invest in a graduate degree until I knew exactly how it was going to help me
the same way.
advance in my career. I think we've done ourselves a disservice simply by not helping people understand those possibilities and lifting up the work that really interesting, creative, valuable people are doing in the marketplace when it comes to these so-called blue-collar trades. Hey, Caleb, thanks so much. A lot of fun to talk with you today. And thanks for the breakfast, too. I really appreciated the banana.
Yeah, no problem, man. Have a great day.
We'll see you in class next week. All right.
Wow, guys, that was an amazing conversation with Professor Brenberg. I learned a lot. We learned that maybe higher education isn't the answer for everybody and that we should be encouraging blue-collar work more so in the workplace and in public high schools. He also pointed out that it might be a good idea for everyone to have a personal investment in the college education that they're pursuing. Thank you for joining us today. I got to run off to class. This has been Business with Brenberg.